a fantastic opportunity to own a truly stunning home. This home reflects only the best in unmatched quality and amenities. This 17-room, 4689 square foot American Classic boasts a wonderful wide-open floor plan seamlessly connecting spacious living spaces of kitchen, breakfast nook, great room, formal dining, and sunroom. Single and double tray ceilings grace almost every room with some ceiling heights reaching 14 feet. No expense or detail denied in the crown molding and trim that top off every single room. The master suite is expansive, lots of windows gazing into the private backyard. Master bath adorned with beautiful tile and custom tub and shower. A second master suite occupies the opposite end of the home as well as another bedroom and full laundry with ample cabinets and storage. A quiet front corner of the home features a private library or office. Sunroom has tile floor and fireplace and connects to the master suite.